Ever hit that Windows key and accidentally pull up a menu when you meant to switch applications? Let's fix your swamped Windows and Alt keys for good. This common keyboard hiccup, where your Windows and Alt keys swap functions, can really throw off your typing flow. Thankfully, it's usually a simple fix. First, we need to access your keyboard settings. The easiest way is to press your now functioning Alt key and then the letter I simultaneously, or click the Start button and then the Settings gear icon. Once in Settings, navigate to Time and Language. Within Time and Language, select Language from the left-hand menu. Now, look for the option that says Keyboard and click on it. Here, you'll see an option to use the on-screen keyboard. Click that button to bring up the virtual keyboard. Now, visually inspect your on-screen keyboard. Do you see a small Options button? Usually in the bottom right corner, click that. In the on-screen keyboard options window, you might see a checkbox labeled something like Enable Numeric Keypad. This checkbox is often the culprit for swapped keys. Make sure this checkbox is unchecked. Once you've ensured that this option is unchecked, click OK to apply the changes. Now, try out your keyboard. Your Windows and Alt keys should be back to their rightful functions, allowing you to smoothly navigate your computer without those frustrating typing errors. Happy typing!